Welcome to Teeth by Thukral. I'm Dr. Samir Thukral. Have you ever wondered how your dental crowns are made? Let me show you. So this is a tooth that has a large cavity in it. This tooth needed a root canal, and after the root canal was completed, we went ahead and prepped the tooth to receive a crown. Once the preparation is done, we then take digital measurements. This digital measurement is basically a 3D scan of your tooth, and this information is then sent to the lab by email, where the lab then downloads it onto their designing softwares and goes ahead with the actual process of preparing the crown. Once the technician receives the scan in the lab, they use designing softwares to design what the tooth should be like. They start marking the margin of the tooth, which is very important for a proper fit of the crown. Because the scan is received in color, they can easily see the difference between the gum and the tooth and mark this well. However, when they are working, they actually prefer to work on a single color model where they do the refinement of the margin. The most important step here is to get this margin really well, so that not only does the crown sit well, but it also reduces the risk of developing decay in this tooth under the crown at a later date. Once the margin is prepared, they then pick up the design of one of the teeth and put it over there. They are able to analyze how the crown should look from all aspects, including the way it should meet the lower tooth. It can be easily reduced in size, all sorts of contacts can be verified, the thickness, the height, every aspect of the crown is then designed over here. The softwares that they use are really good, and it really allows you to design a perfectly looking crown. Once the final design is done, the technician starts to modify the final look. They verify that every aspect of the crown is good, from the margins to the fit to the contact with the adjacent tooth, as well as contact with the opposing tooth. This is how the final design of the crown finally looks like. Once the design for the crown is completed, the information is transferred to a milling machine, where the machine actually carves out the tooth out of a block of ceramic or a material of your choice. Because the information has been sent to the lab via digital measurement, they can easily print a 3D model and check for the fit of the crown. The final crown is then sent to the dental clinic, where arrangements are made to fit the final crown into the patient's mouth. This is what it looks like when the final crown is fitted. The bite is checked for again. Modifications can be made to this, and once this is fitted, the patient can go back to eating everything that they could with their natural tooth. It is very important to keep this crown clean, and you should be able to floss between your natural tooth and your crown. So I hope you liked the video, and it gave you a little more information of how dentists and the labs work together to be able to give you that perfectly looking crown. A crown well made should feel just like a natural tooth. It should look just like a natural tooth, and you should be able to chew with it just like a natural tooth. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can know whenever we come out with a new video. I'll see you soon.